Welcome to Solitaire. Going to play classic Klondike here, and not going to edit this at all. And hopefully, we'll see how this goes here. This might be an easy game. There's a few moves here. Let's see what we have in the draw pile. Oh, nice, nice. And of course, I am going to save these cards for later as insurance. I'm going to work my way through the draw pile and see what else is out there. And this could be pretty good, actually. Let's see how this goes. There's a card I might play. Gonna start. What I'd like to do is start with cards on the back of the draw pile. Play those first, and then work my way through to the front of the draw pile. That's the very back of the draw pile. That's actually really good because that opens up a spot for a king. Should there be a king, this is a questionable play. I'm gonna play it anyway. All right, going through the draw pile again. Let's see, option 2, no. I think the ace is the next option. Going to play that. If it isn't, going to play it anyway. And there's an option there. All right, let's go through again. And let's see what else is. Ooh, red king. Not going to play the red king. We got 2 red queens here. Going to try to play a black king. And what we need to do... Yeah, I'm still going to go for the black king theory. And there's one black king right there. To move that, what we need to do is go back to the beginning of the draw pile. There's the beginning of the draw pile. We need to move one card out of here to open up a spot for the black king. So we're going to play this ace of spades. And then going to cycle through. And now... there should be a spot for the black king. Here's the tricky part. Which queen to play? I don't know. I'm going to look at each variation. That seems decent. Yeah, that's a good variation because I can still play a red king or a black king later on. So let's go through. And we can play this. We're going to play the red king and see how this goes. There might still be a move here because this 5 of diamonds will open up this right here. And that's a bottleneck. Unless we can find a jack. I can't remember if there's a jack, but the wrong color. Let's see. Oh, that's good. That's good. The 10 is good because we can play this later if we need to. Let's see what's there first. All right. So it looks like there's a red king and a black queen. Let's go back. Okay, trying again here. And going to play, let's see, one. You're just going to play one card. And the reason I'm playing one card is it gives us more opportunities to manipulate the draw pile. So, okay, we can't play this, but we can play this. And let's see what's under. Ooh. This card's the 7 of clubs is going to be very good for us the next time it comes around. And that's the reason we only played one card. I think a lot of people would lose the game right there, or the game would be over. Because if you use a different strategy there. All right, gonna try this again. There's a 7 of clubs I was talking about. Now the 6 of hearts can go there. That's a very good spot. And that allows us to move some cards. I'm going to hold off on this. I may or may not move. Yes, I'm going to hold off. I want to be able to play the 5 of spades. And then king of hearts. So we got 2 more moves from the front of the pile. And then see if there's anything else that can go out. So now the 5 of spades is open. Not going to play the ace yet. Going to hold off. This king of hearts will show up on the bottom of the draw pile the next time we go around. Okay. King of hearts shows up there. And the ace may be ace is going to have to be played there. So we're going to go back. Now we don't have a choice. Going to play that because we can't play this 3. Can't play the 3 clubs yet. Oh, no, we could. I see a move there. My bad. We can't play the 3 of clubs because we're going to play this 4 of diamonds right here. And then the 3 of clubs can be played next turn. And then we can play this card, Queen of clubs. The red jack is an important card because that is opening up this pile right here, which we're hoping is something. Okay, we can work with that king. Now we can move this queen. Now we can move this 9, and more importantly, we can move this 8 right here. And that allows us to move this 9 and this 8, and we'll open up the spot on the king. And that's a very good card because if you can see, there's a jack, there's a 10, and there's a queen. That means these 2 piles will be down to nothing. And that's a very, very good card because that's a 2 of clubs. That can go with this ace of clubs that we'll get on the next turn. Plus, we can play the 4 of clubs right here. 2 of spades goes up top. 2 of hearts goes up top. We pretty much solved this here. I'm going to go through one more time. As you can see, now we can play the 3 of clubs. Now we can play the rest of this, actually. We'll put that up top. We're going to play 3 up top, 4 up top. And then the same with these as well. And then we'll just play the 7 of diamonds down here. 6 of clubs goes. And we pretty much solved it. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I would like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.